Folks, if you've been watching your website traffic drop lately, you're not alone. Google AI overviews are pulling clicks away from traditional results, and more people are turning to ChatGPT for quick answers instead of visiting websites. So we're no longer optimizing just for search engines. Now it's about answer engine optimization. My name is Daniel, and today I'm showing you Clearscope. It's a platform that's been serving major brands for over a decade and just launched a complete toolkit for AI visibility. You'll see how to monitor where your brand shows up in responses. We'll find out how to build content that gets recommended by ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. Friends, Clearscope has been helping businesses with content optimization for more than 10 years. Companies like HubSpot, Webflow, and IBM rely on it. But recently they rebuilt the entire platform around a new challenge: staying visible when AI answers questions instead of search results. The tool tackles a specific problem. When someone asks ChatGPT or Gemini about your industry, does your brand get mentioned? Most businesses have no idea, and that invisibility costs them customers every single day. Folks, here's how Clearscope approaches this. First, you identify the topics and questions that matter to your business. Then you discover what web searches AI platforms perform behind the scenes. Next, you create content targeting those exact searches. Finally, you keep your best pages fresh, so they maintain their citations over time. It's a complete workflow for competing in a world where artificial intelligence decides which brands get recommended and which ones get ignored. Okay, pals, let's see how Clearscope actually works in practice. When you first open the platform, you'll see a clean dashboard with the latest updates and a left side panel full of tools. But the feature that really matters is under Topic Research. It's called Tracked Topics. This is where you can track how your brand appears inside AI-generated answers across systems like ChatGPT and Gemini. Clearscope shows you when your name or product gets mentioned, and more importantly, when it doesn't. It helps you understand where your brand stands in the evolving world of AI visibility. Friends, at first the page is empty because we haven't tracked any topics yet. So let's add one. I'll type content optimization, a topic that's very relevant to what the tool itself does. Once it's added, the system instantly processes it and shows detailed data. Under mentions, you can explore web searches and even competitive citations, showing which competitors are being referenced in the same context. Let's expand Gemini citations to see where our brand appears. You can do the same for ChatGPT. That's the magic part, because knowing which searches these systems rely on lets you reverse engineer their logic. You can literally see how these models think, what data they pull, and which sites they trust most. And that brings us to the next step: AI drafts. Folks, from those web searches used in responses, you can create a draft directly. Let's select one of these searches and click the button. You'll see the draft form appear, and you can build just one or even multiple articles at once if needed. The search query fills in automatically. You can change the locale from a long list of options, adjust the language, and optionally add local targeting. Once everything looks good, hit Create. The draft appears in your drafts table and starts processing. This takes just a couple of minutes. When it's ready, you'll see the status change. Now we can click Get Started to begin building the actual content. Friends, you have three paths here. Each approach serves a different need. If you're creating new content to fill a gap, generate from scratch. If you have a page that's close but not getting cited, optimize it. I'll pick the first option. Now you select searcher intent, and this is quite important. Choose what works best for your content and goals. The platform shows three intent options with actual search results for each. Next, it asks for the type of content. In my case, I'll select research. Then we reach the tone customization. This separates you from everyone else flooding the internet with generic AI content. You paste in a writing sample. Maybe, folks, it's from your website or a previous text. For this demo, I'll use the text from one of Clearscope's articles. The system analyzes the style, sentence patterns, even the use of metaphors. This matters because artificial intelligence platforms are getting better at detecting soulless generated content. If everything sounds the same, you blend into noise. But content that sounds human that reflects your actual voice. That's what stands out and gets shared. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now you select the title from automatically generated options. They're based on what's actually performing in search results and AI responses for your topic. You can regenerate if needed, but the suggestions are already informed by real data. The final step is editing the outline. This is where you add your expertise. The tool generates a comprehensive structure, but you know your audience better than any algorithm. Drag sections around, add questions your customers actually ask, or delete fluff that doesn't serve your goals. Pals, once it looks good, hit generate, and in a couple of minutes, we have a full article. On the right, you'll see Clearscope's signature sidebar. This is what made the platform famous. It lists key terms and entities that should appear in your content to make it comprehensive and relevant. Yellow highlights show where you've used these terms. Check marks indicate coverage. These are concepts that comprehensive content must address to be useful. Click any term, and you see how competitors use it effectively, with direct examples and links. You can sort by unused to spot gaps instantly. This is your roadmap for making content that actually competes. Folks, look at the left panel. Our content grade sits at B+ for now. That's decent, but it doesn't win citations when someone asks ChatGPT for recommendations. We need to climb higher. Watch this, guys. I add one recommended term into the text. The grade jumps immediately. This real-time feedback prevents you from publishing content that's almost good enough. You work through the article, weaving in relevant concepts, and suddenly you're at A-. You also see word count and readability, which can be helpful as well. There's also a term map section, showing all your terms and citations in a clean table format. And in the competitors section, you see everyone you're up against. Guys, here you're seeing exactly what score you need to beat and which sites are currently outperforming you. The final piece is content inventory. Guys, this is your safety net. You connect Google Search Console, and all your existing pages sync automatically. Clearscope monitors them constantly. You see which pages are still being cited and which are fading. You track performance over time and catch problems early. This prevents the nightmare scenario where your best content becomes irrelevant and you don't realize until traffic vanishes. Alright friends, let's sum it up. Clearscope offers a complete system for maintaining relevance when AI controls who gets recommended. You monitor your brand mentions, produce content targeting those queries, and keep your strongest pages performing well. The platform handles the entire cycle, from research to production to maintenance. So guys, try Clearscope and see how it transforms your approach to visibility and content strategy. Which feature would make the biggest impact on your business right now? Let me know in the comments. You can use an exclusive $30 to $100 discount through the link I left in the description and comment section. Folks, make sure to check it out if you're planning to try Clearscope. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.